Good morning, students. Hope you'll be fine at your respective places. In continuation to our last topic, we were discussing this crosses. Mendel's जो cross ने किए थे, we have discussed the monohybrid cross. We have discussed the dihybrid cross. I have also shown you the phenotypic ratio of the monohybrid cross, genotypic ratio of the monohybrid cross, phenotypic ratio of the dihybrid cross, and genotypic ratio of the dihybrid cross. वो मैंने नहीं बताया. That we will see. कि वो हम आपको कैसे वो हम कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. फॉर दैट I will give you the formula, and today we are going to discuss the trihybrid cross. Trihybrid cross is that cross जहाँ पर हम 3 pairs of contrasting characters वो हम लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लेंगे यहाँ पर कैरेक्टर अब यहां पर अलील जो है अलील दैट इज द डोमिनेंट वाला कौन सा है और यहां पर जो रिसेसिव वाला कौन सा है. हम पहले हाइट लेंगे एक कैरेक्टर, दूसरा हम लेंगे पोजीशन ऑफ द फ्लावर, और थर्ड हम लेंगे व्हाट वी कॉल एज द कलर ऑफ द फ्लावर. चलो ये आसान हो जाएगा. कलर ऑफ द फ्लावर. अब इसका डोमिनेंट है दैट इज टी और रिसेसिव वाला दैट इज स्मॉल, दैट इज कैपिटल टी एंड दैट इज स्मॉल टी. पोजीशन ऑफ द फ्लावर डोमिनेंट है exile and this is what we call as this small a, it is terminal. Color of the flower it is pink, and we have got small p that is recessive, that is the white. So this one अगर हम इसको लिखेंगे it is tall, it is dwarf, it is exile. What is this? It is terminal. What is this? It is pink color of the flower and it is the white color of the flower. Now when we take these three crosses, these contrasting pairs of characters in a single parents, when we are going to study these three crosses, what will be the phenotypic ratio and what will be the genotypic ratio, वो हम देखने की कोशिश कर लेंगे. अब जो मेंडल के पास जो पेरेंट्स हैं, जो हमको ऑलरेडी पता है कि मेंडल जो है ही हैज स्टार्टेड हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. जो भी क्रॉस ने स्टार्ट किया, ही स्टार्टेड विद देम द प्योर लाइन पेरेंट्स, ईदर होमोजाइगस डोमिनेंट पेरेंट्स और होमोजाइगस रिसेसिव पेरेंट्स. अब हमारे पास फर्स्ट पेरेंट स्टॉल, दैट्स द डोमिनेंट exile of the and this purple color, it is crossed with the dwarf, it is crossed with the terminal flower and it is crossed with the pink flower. Now what will be the gametes? जो गमीट हमको यहां पर होंगे वो गमीट्स हमको कैसे मिलेंगे? The gametes will be TAP, और जो यहाँ के gametes होंगे they will be small t, small a, small p. Now जो हमारे पास when these combine together we get the F1 generation or first filial generation जो हमको मिल जाएगी. What will be, वो कैसी होगी? That will be like capital T, small t, capital A, small a, capital P, small p. This is the first generation, first filial generation. It is a heterozygous. It may be tall. Here the what we will see, जो portion of the flower they may be exile, and the color of the flower that may be purple, because this T is dominant, this capital A is dominant, and capital P is dominant. Now when we cross these, या selfing अगर हम कर लेंगे इनको, when we selfing जो हम कर लेंगे इस F1 generation को, what will be the phenotypic ratio, what will be the genotypic ratio? So here what will be the gametes? मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस हमारे पास इसके gametes निकालने अच्छे आसान हो जाता था, डायहाइब्रिड क्रॉस में भी आसान हो जाता था, लेकिन here is somewhat typical how we can calculate those what we will see these gametes, वो कैसे होंगे? You will see, we will get like this. This is the tall. उसके लिए एक simple हम देखेंगे, a sort of trick is there. Capital T and this is small t. It is crossed with capital A and small a. This again crossed with capital A, small a. This now crossed with capital P, small p. This crossed with capital P, small p. This crossed with capital P, small p. This crossed with capital P, small p. Now, what will be the genotypic ratio? TAP. It will be TAP. First one. TAP. Second. TA small p, capital A, T capital A small p. Then capital A small a capital P. Fourth one, capital A small p. अब यहाँ से small t, capital A capital P. Now sixth one, small a capital A, and then we have got this, this is the small p, then this small p. Now again this seventh one, small a small t, then this small a and capital P. Eighth one, this small a t, small a and small p. These are the gametes. Now there are 8. These are the 8 gametes जो हम देखेंगे from the first parent. जो second parent होगा उसके भी ऐसे जैसे इसके होंगे gametes, same will be the case of that. जो इसके होंगे they will be same like that. Now while we draw the Punnett square, what we will found? See here, what will we draw? When we draw the Punnett square, here we will see now first one, second, this will be third, this will be fourth, this will be fifth, this will be sixth, चलो first one, TAP. Second one, capital A, capital and small p, capital T, small a, capital P, capital T, small a, small p, small t, capital A, capital P, small t, capital A, small p, small t, small a, capital P, small t, small a, small p. Now we can rub this. Now we can rub this. Same is the here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see here. अब दो गमीट जो इस पेरेंट्स के वो इस पेरेंट्स के भी होंगे. We will write them there. Repeat. Capital T, capital A, capital P, capital T, capital A, small p, capital A, small a, capital P, capital A, small p, small t, capital A, capital P, small t, capital A, small p, small t, small a, this capital P, then small t, small a, and small p. Now there are total 8. How many phenotypic ratio will be there? 64. सिंपली इफ वी डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन, मैं ए का देखूंगा, फिर आप खुद इसको कंप्लीट भी कर सकते हो। ये आ जाएगा कैपिटल टी, कैपिटल टी, कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल पी, यहाँ पर कैपिटल टी, कैपिटल टी, कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल पी, बट इट इज स्मॉल पी यहाँ पर। अब कैपिटल टी, कैपिटल टी, कैपिटल ए, स्मॉल ए, कैपिटल पी। Again, next one, capital T, capital A, small a, capital P, small p. Again here, capital T, small t, capital A, capital A, capital P, capital T, small t, capital A, capital A, capital P, small p, capital T, small t, capital A, small a, capital P, capital T, small t, capital A, small a, capital P, small p. I have simply made the multiplication. This first this, फिर इसी तरह मैंने T और T का, A और A का, P और P का, and simply I write whether there is a capital, I write the capital, जहां पर स्मॉल है वो स्मॉल लिख लिया बस। Now this is a traditional way. It is somewhat very much difficult for the large number of these crosses. Now what we will do, we mainly I will give a simple mathematical solution how we can show the phenotypic ratio, how I will show this genotypic ratio. Besides this, from the examination point of view, we have to say what will be the trihybrid cross. कभी कभार वो लंबा थोड़ा बहुत जाता है कि उसको रिकॉल करने में थोड़ा बहुत मुश्किल लग जाती है। इन ऑर्डर टू बी आई विल शो यू ए सम लिटिल बिट जो आपको याद भी रहेगा, एंड दैट विल बी समवट इजी। नाउ ट्राई टू कंप्लीट दिस पुनीट स्क्वायर, इट इज रादर वेरी मच इजी, एंड देन कंपेयर दिस रेशियो विद जो मैं आपको बताऊंगा, जो हम मैथमेटिकली हम प्रूव कर लेंगे। चलो, फर्स्ट क्रॉस जो हमारे पास था दैट वाज मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस। दैट मीन्स दैट इज दैट क्रॉस जहां पर हम सिर्फ एक ही पेयर ऑफ कंट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर लेते हैं, जो यहां पर फिनोटिपिक रेशियो PR दैट इज इक्वल टू 3:1, जो यहां पर जीनोटिपिक रेशियो है वो आता है 1:2:1, जो हमने कल पढ़ा। ये रेशियो हमने निकाले अच्छी तरह से। नाउ वी हैव गॉट दिस सेकंड वन, डाइहाइब्रिड क्रॉस। डाइहाइब्रिड क्रॉस में हमने क्या देखा, फिनोटिपिक रेशियो दैट इज इक्वल टू 9:3:3:1। जीनोटिपिक रेशियो पर हमने थोड़ा बहुत हमने किया कि हम वेट क्या, मैंने बताया कि मैं आपको समझाऊंगा क्या कि मैं आपको उसकी एक ट्रिक बताऊंगा, एक फॉर्मूला बताऊंगा जिसके जरिए हम उसको निकालेंगे। अब हम इसको ये करेंगे, क्या जो हमने यूनिट स्क्वायर से निकाला क्या वो ठीक है कि गलत है। देखो, फिनोटिपिक रेशियो, इसको निकालने के लिए हमारे पास एक फॉर्मूला है 3:1 होल रेज्ड पावर n, where n is the number of pairs of contrasting characters. If number of contrasting characters is 1, then raised power 1. For example, in case of monohybrid cross, we have got only 1. We say raised power 1. That will equal to 3:1. Now, check this. Genotypic इसके लिए डाइहाइब्रिड क्रॉस को हम चेक कर लेंगे। 3:1 raised power 2, that is 3:1 multiplied by 3:1. चेक कर लो, इस 3 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, 3 3 जार 9, इस 3 से इस 1 को मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, 3 1 जार 3, इस 1 से इस 3 को मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, 1 3 जार 3, और इस 1 से 1. That is right. This ratio and this ratio comes, ये सेम है. अब थर्ड जीनोटिपिक रेशियो हमको बताएंगे, दैट इज द ट्राई हाइब्रिड क्रॉस. ये थोड़ा बहुत लंबा है कि ये रेशियो, इसका जो हमारे पास फिनोटाइपिक रेशियो वो कितना आ जाएगा. लेट अस ट्राई टू कैलकुलेट. दैट इज 3:1. Now there we have got 3 pairs of contrasting characters, so raised to power 3, that will become 3:1 is to 3:1 into 3:1. पहले इन दो को कर लेंगे, 3 3 are 9, 1 3 are 3, 3 1s are 3, and 1 1s are 1. इस 3 से इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, फिर 1 से 1 3 are 3, 1 1s are 1 into 3:1. चलो अब 3 से 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. अब इस 1 से 1 9s are 9, 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. We can now rearrange this. 27 into 9 is to 9 is to 9. Then this 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. 27 एक मर्तबा, 9 3 मर्तबा, 3 3 मर्तबा, और 1 3 मर्तबा. Now what will be our phenotypic ratio in trihybrid cross? 27 is to 9 is to 9 is to 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. It will come up to 27. 27 and 27 will be 54, 57. Then it comes to 60, 63 and 64. क्योंकि पुनिट्स का नाम देखते ट्राइब्रिड क्रॉस में we have got 64. Now जीनोटिपिक रेशियो निकालने के लिए, so let us try to see. Genotypic ratio. Genotypic ratio. In case of monohybrid cross, we have calculated 1 is to 2 is to 1. Now, in order to find the genotypic ratio for this dihybrid cross, what we have to, हमारे पास इस formula है 1 is to 2 is to 1 whole raised power n, where n is the number of pairs of contrasting characters. So what will become 1 is to 2 is to 1 multiplied by 1 is to 2 is to 1. पहले इस 1 से 1 1s are 1, 1 2 are 2, 1 1 are 1. फिर इस 2 से 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. फिर 1 से इस 1 से 1 1s are 1, 1 2 are 2, 1 1 are 1. So हमारा जो जीनोटिपिक रेशियो 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 4, 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1. 16 आना चाहिए. 2 और 1 3 4 5 6, 6 और 4 हो गए 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Now in case of trihybrid cross, let us calculate. 1 is to 2 is to 1 raised power n. In trihybrid cross we have got 3 times. So it becomes 1 is to 2 is to 1 into 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1. 1 1s are 1, 1 2 are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1. Oh, sorry. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. into 1:2:1. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 fours are 4, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1. अब 2 से 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. अब किससे? इस 1 से 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 fours are 4, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are. This is our genotypic ratio. 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:2:2:1:2 1:2:1. This is the genotypic ratio. So I have simply made first multiplication by 1 to this 3, then 2 with this 3, फिर 1 this 3, I will got this, then this 1 with all these, फिर this 2, फिर all these, फिर 1 all these, and I get the ratio this. So this is the genotypic ratio, this is the phenotypic ratio. अब इसको याद रखना क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ा ratio, ये आसान नहीं हो जाता है. That is the trick what you have to do. Of अगर हम करेंगे टेट्रा हाइब्रिड क्रॉस रेज्ड पावर 4, we have to do the dihybrid cross raised power 2, trihybrid cross raised power 3, and we will get what we will see these different ratios which are very much difficult to recall, to remember. So you can simply do this trick and you will use this formula and you will get these ratios. This was all about this trihybrid cross in which we have studied the 3 pairs of contrasting character and the ratio जो हम देखते हैं phenotypic ratio, it comes equal to 27:9:9:9:3:3:3:3:1, and the genotypic ratio it becomes like this. So this was all about this today, this topic. Say blessed. Thank you.